kia ora te whānau. What's up guys, it's been a while since I've made a video, so I think it's about time. We're just going to do a bit of a DnB step tutorial, and this is going to be a tutorial on, I don't know what to call it, a slide step. So you kind of slide your feet. Yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like. Alright, so if you want to learn and add this into your moves, then follow along. Okay, so first thing you want to do is once you've finished the move and you've gone to here, then your next position is you're going to slide your feet into the middle. Then from here you're going to slide your feet out to the opposite side. So you're going to slide to the middle, slide to the opposite side, slide to the middle, slide to the opposite side. So your feet aren't lifting off the floor. They're sliding to the middle, sliding to the side. Okay, you want to make sure that you're staying like on a diagonal. I don't know, I just think that looks cooler if you're on a diagonal rather than you're straight on or you're too much to the side. You want to just be in between, in a diagonal line. Okay? Okay, so when you do this, you want to separate your feet, separate your hands as well. You want to go out, in, out. Okay? I don't know, just so it looks cool. Sweet as whānau, that's us. If you like the video, then like the video. Let me know if there's any other moves that you want to learn. As always, keep doing things your own way, and ngā mihi, ka kite anō. See you later.